So the areas of the roof that we're going to be focusing on are the valleys right here. And if you don't know technically what a valley is, it's where two sides of the roof meet together in a concave fashion. Now, the reason that we're repairing these tile valleys is to extend the metal that is running underneath these valleys. So currently what's installed right now is this C-channel valley metal. The only problem with this valley metal is that it is very small in width. It is not wide at all, and it only covers a limited amount of space to catch water. So what we'll be doing is we will be taking up all of the tile. We will be taking up the original C-channel valley metal, and we will be essentially performing a leak repair. So here you can see the sheer difference between the old style valley metal and the new style valley metal. Right here we have the old style, which was on this roof before. This is the C-channel valley metal, and then this stuff is the new style 5-rib valley metal. So now that we have the valley taken up and torn apart, we installed our self-adhering underlayment, and now we have the valley metal installed and ready to go. We still have to, do little bits on it, seal it down, nail the rest of it, but this essentially is what we are putting in.